Hello guys, uh, let's start. What is PF in IBM or AS400? So basically PF is a physical file in AS400. It is a database file which stores the data. Okay, how to make a how to create a physical file. We have a command CRT, SRC and PF. Okay, and press enter. Okay, so we have to give here file name, which is I give practice for practice. Okay. Oh, so what is the library? Library is like library is this, and we can't change record length or member, but I can change last one text description. Okay, so it is a database file. And press enter. So file is created. File practice created in library. This. Okay. So how to check where is file? Okay. So we have a command str pdm and press enter to check where is my file. Okay, press enter, and we have a file. Oh sorry, we create a file practice. Okay, okay, the next step is how to create a member in a file. So we press a 3. So work with member. Okay, press enter. Yes, we make a member in practice file. Okay, so press enter. Okay, so you can see there is no member available in file. So how to create a member? We have a command to create a member, strSEU, and press F6. Okay, so what is source member? Source member name. What is the name of the source member? Okay, the source member name is EMPF. Okay, what is the source type? Source type is PF, physical file. Okay, what is blank? Oh, what is description? Description is like it is a data file member. Okay, press enter. So first we have to write here file. File means it is a we have a oh just a minute. Okay, so file is for save and exit. So we have already created a EMPF member in practice file. Okay, so we have to write a data, okay, in the member of EMPF. So we have to, what we have to do is we have to press 2 and press enter to edit. 2 is for edit. We have a terminal, 3 for copy, 4 for delete, 5 for display, and so on. So we have to edit first. Now we have to enter, press enter. So positional value cannot follow keyword. Okay, my bad. Just yes. So it is open. Now we have here, and I press IPPF, which is create a line and record. First we have to create a record. Okay, name type is R. If you don't know anything, you press F1. Okay, type a record format field or key field in this position. Okay, what is the name? Name is the what is the name of a record format is like EMPF. Okay, now we have the second name is something EMPFID. We fill the record. Okay, reference number is nothing. What is the length? Length is 5. What is the data type? Name. What is the decimal position is 0. Okay, now next we have EMPDF. Okay, name. Okay, what is the length of the name? Length is between 10. Okay, data type is nothing, decimal position. Oh, data type is integer. Okay, so we have A. Okay, so this is the record format. So we have a, okay, now we have to save this file. Okay, So we have to first compile this. Okay, press F4. Okay, file empf created in library this. Okay, now we have to run update data. Okay, we have to first we have to check, and the file name is empf. Now we created two fields. Okay, now we added data in this. Okay, press enter. And what is the and how to edit data? UPDDTA and file name empf. Okay, enter. So what is the empf id? Empf id is 1. Empf name is like Harsh. Okay, the second record is 2 and the name is Harish. Okay, now we have to check, we filled two data. Okay, now we enter. Oh, sorry, for F3. Okay, and data entry. If you do n, you cannot we cannot this data cannot add. But if we do y, yes, it delete this last data and provide the new data. Okay, so first we have to check is run query. Okay, runqry star n and file name empf and enter. Now this is the data, employee id and employee name. Okay, so thank you so much for everyone.